This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering and preparing the neckband so pairing is smooth. Hold the power button for 4 seconds to turn it on, because many models enter pairing mode automatically when first powered. Make sure your phone or laptop Bluetooth is enabled, then tap the neckband name in the device list. Once connected, you'll hear a voice prompt or see a steady LED. This confirms the link. If asked for a PIN, try 0000 or 1234. Once paired, you need to optimize fit and control use so performance is reliable. Place the right and left buds in your ears, rotate gently to seal. Swap tips if you feel leaks, because a proper seal improves bass and call clarity. Learn the button patterns. Single tap to play or answer, double tap for next track, long press to reject or summon your assistant. Make sure to install the companion app to access EQ, firmware updates, and multi-point or device priority options. You finish by validating function and knowing a quick fix if things go wrong. Play a test track and make a brief call to confirm mic and stereo balance, keeping volume around 50% to judge clarity. If pairing fails or audio stutters, reset the neckband. Hold power plus volume for 8-10 seconds to clear settings, then repair from scratch. If problems persist, update firmware via the app. And remember, avoid extreme heat and store the band flat to prolong battery life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.